Hey, my boys just got here. Luis and Danny.
Hey.
So they came here to help me work on the STI. Or just stand around. Why you dressed so nice, dude?
You know me. I don't work on cars.
Luis?
We kind of hired him for the channel, you know, because he has to, like, you know, we have to get, like, a model for the cars and everything, so we got Daniel. And he also has, like, expensive equipment to film, so.
And by hired, they mean do things for free. Just like my regular job.
Yeah. Hey, until we make it.
One day he'll get a paycheck when we get a paycheck first.
So we're going to be working on the STI. Well, I'm going to be working on the STI. I don't know. Danny and Luis will just be here for
Good time.
just for company.
More support, you know.
For company. Yeah. So hopefully I'll be able to cut out the core support today. And I'm already
eating, bro?
It's power.
Leaking a lot of power.
It's power steering fluid. And I have the engine mostly put together over there, and I'll show you guys that here in a little bit.
Alright, Angel, what are you doing, bro?
Trying to test fit the fitment, dude.
Yeah.
How's it looking?
Looks alright now?
Yeah, dude.
You don't hate nothing?
No, probably with. I'm definitely gonna have to camber it, dude.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Yep.
I don't want the fender to fall, dude. I see.
Look at that.
Bro, that's definitely gonna need camber, dude.
Yeah. So right now, how wide are these?
9.5.
9.5.
With a 15mm spacer.
Yeah.
Gotta go? Ready?
Damn, bro. How does it feel to be in the race car?
Dang, dude. This is the only time he's gonna let me get on the steering wheel.
Damn, dude. You're not hitting nothing now?
No.
Yeah. We can't show the wheel. Oh! Can't show the wheel, bro. The reveal's later. Hey, there you go. There you go. Okay. Yeah, it's just, we're just trying to do too much all at once. We're like, what are you doing? Engine, wheel fitment, and then interior all at once?
Yeah.
Yeah. Isn't it even bolt the... Dude, that's just, it's gonna stick out so much, bro.
I know, dude. I'm just looking at the camera the front.
Yeah.
Picture, dude.
Hey, camera gang?
Camera gang?
Hey. Throw back to your little Hondita days.
Yeah, dude. My Honda's gonna be for the sitter, bro.
Yeah.
Or it's gonna be for daily, you know? So that way I don't scrape it, dude. That is pretty wide, dude. Like,
Oh, I'm not trying to show the wheel, but yeah, it is pretty
that's pretty wide, dude.
pretty damn wide, dude.
Compared to this thing, dude?
Yeah. Ready to say something or what the fuck?
What are you doing right now?
Looking at you, filming me.
Hey, what are you doing?
You know, looking cute.
Alright, guys. Luis is leaving me right now. It's Friday. Look at him. He's trying to get up out of here. But what me and Danny are doing today, since Luis isn't gonna help.
What the fuck is Danny gonna do, bro? First of all,
He's gonna help me prep this stuff, dude. And he's gonna help me clean shit up, you know, and like keep shit clean.
that's good, dude. First time he does something.
Yeah. So we took off my subframe and transmission. That's that stuff, you know, even when it's off the car.
Were you even telling me you've gotten coilovers before?
Yeah.
Okay, these are coilovers. What brand are they? BC Racing, right?
Yeah.
Say more fucking shit about it, nigga.
Ah, you say more shit about
Well,
it.
I don't know. You're the one that got
This is
them.
it, bro.
You're not mine.
Alright, that's it. It's BC coilover.
What are
dude.
these
That's
things?
all you gotta know.
You gotta
dude.
tell
There's
people
the
what they
camber
are.
plates,
What
you
is
know,
this thing right here?
the dampening.
Yeah, well, you gotta explain that, bro. Come on, bro. We're trying to make this content, bro. Come on.
Alright, Luis, where's your content?
Right here, you know. So.
Luis is leaving. He can't make content.
You know, I'm helping him. I'm trying to leave so he can have more creative ideas and let you guys know, you know. But since I'm here supervising right now, I'm telling him he has to say all this shit. And then, did you even tell him about that? Did
No.
you tell him about that?
What, that it was bent?
Yeah, and then you got different ones. Yes.
Was bent.
It's
It's
a
still
little
bent.
update.
It's still bent.
Oh, you do this?
The knuckle's still bent.
Order a new knuckle.
Luis ordered that for me.
And then I
And
have.
long story short, our boy's building a race car.
What's up? Lisa. That's ridiculous.
I know.
You go.
Alright, I'm gonna head out. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today is Friday, the 13th actually, and I'm at the shop. Got off work a couple hours ago, and I've been working on, well, me and Billy have been working on something. He just left a little bit ago, but we're working on this. Yep, my subframe is off with the transmission. I got my coilovers on. So this arm, the control arm, was bent and I had to switch it out, so I did that. Both those are off. I installed the rear ones as well. You can't be able to tell right there. But right now, I am actually going to start taking all this wiring off, moving it out of the way. We're gonna be cutting out the frame rail, hopefully cutting it out. We'll see how long it takes us. Well, it takes me. And that's where I'm at right now. So when I start cutting and kind of getting more into it, I will give you guys an update and kind of show you what I'm doing along the way. So see you in a bit. What's up, guys? I'm here with an update on what I've done. So I've cleaned all this up on the wheel housing, and I drilled those two out right there and grinded these two right there, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side with those. Chopped off that part of the frame rail, and now I'm working on the bottom side of this, and then all that's left is the top and then the whole side and then the other side, and hopefully that'll be it. And my boy Danny's here, you know, taking pictures, doing what he does. And it is currently 11 o'clock, and you know, we can't be one night without some of these, you know. Huh, Danny?
Nope.
No.
What's
Hey,
good?
hey, we're gonna stay here till morning.
I can't.
Damn, my boy's gonna
I have
die.
the coronavirus.
Oh, that's shit. I'm gonna head out. Hey, Coronas! Hey! Anyways, that's what I'm doing right now. And then Gil and Junior are going to edge in my stuff and seal it. So tomorrow me and Billy can put it in. And hopefully we'll put that back tomorrow. Hopefully I can get this frame rail out, and then tomorrow Billy can come and just weld in the new one, and that way I can start putting it together. But besides that, you know, got anything to say, Danny?
It's coming.
It's coming?
Just wait.
He is coming. The fitment on the rear wheels are perfect. Like, you guys don't even know. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix all these dents that it has on this side, because they're pretty bad. I'll probably start working on that sometime next week. Take the clear ball off, de-trim the whole door, both doors, and the other door, and then take my wing off because it is faded, and my boy Gil wants to hook it up.
Also, roll out the fenders and the quarter panel.
Yeah, we have to. The wheels don't fit with these stocks, you know. We gotta roll them a little. So we'll probably do that tomorrow too. So keep an eye out for a video on that as well. But this is what we're up to tonight. My boy almost died. And
Don't forget, Instagram page coming soon. Fire content coming out.
all photos by Danny. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Get my boy to, he's almost to 600.
I made it to 600.
All right, 700. 700.
Aiming for 1,000 by the end of the year, 700 by the end of this month, maybe next month, depending how everything goes. But as well, you know, quality over quantity.
Hey, Danny doesn't post that much, so that's why he's saying that. But I think I'll update you guys again when I have this out, and
we'll probably make another little, what's it called, recap when it's like 1 in the morning when we're still here.
well, yeah, we're gonna be here till like who knows when.
My boy's gonna be working. And I'm gonna be probably just editing the pictures I've been taking. It's fire.
So keep an eye out for those.
And June 5th, 6th? No, wait, April. April 5th, 4th, whatever it is, we coming for you.
Hey, stands for us. You already know. I'll update you guys again once I have it out. So see you in a bit. What's up, guys? It's the next day, and me and Danny came to the shop pretty early today. Billy was here, but he just left a while ago. So a little update. We got the frame rail in. It's all welded up, and we're still waiting to put this wheel housing in. Billy had some stuff to do. We sprayed color up in there. I don't know if you can tell, but all the bare metal's covered. Kind of seam sealed it a little. Sprayed some of that sealant around it, and then now we're gonna try to put the subframe back in. Then he's gonna muscle it out all by himself.
All gains, no gym.
Hey, all right, but that's what we're up to right now, and we'll see how it goes. Yesterday I didn't finish it because we stayed here till like 2 in the morning, and
we came in at 8, and I'm dead.
yeah,
And Luis is not here.
All right, Luis isn't here. What time is it right now?
It's 5.
It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and Luis left like
At 8?
At 8 yesterday.
He wasn't
and
down to stay.
He didn't help us, no nothing. At least Danny was here for moral support, you know. He's here chilling with us. But yeah, this is what I'm doing right now, and me and Danny are gonna try to put that on, and so we'll see how it goes.
Boom!